There are a lot of aftermarket performance parts options out there, but only a few that are designed, engineered, tested, and backed by Chevrolet. Today, I want to give you an overview of the Duramax diesel block so that you can better plan your project. Based on the block used with the 2010 through 2017 LML and LGH code production engines, the new block, part number 1265-1877, is compatible with all first-generation Duramax 6.6 liter engines. The Duramax block features a strong cast iron foundation known for its durability, with induction-hardened cylinder walls and 5 nodular iron main bearing caps. A deep skirt design and 4 bolts per main help ensure the block's strength and enable more accurate location of the rotating assembly. A die-cast aluminum lower crankcase also strengthens the engine block and serves as the lower engine cover while reducing its overall weight. Chevrolet Performance's new Duramax block is the perfect starting point for building new life into a well-used truck. Chevrolet Performance also offers just about every additional production part to support the building of the engine, from the rotating assembly, camshaft and cylinder heads, to the injectors, oil pump, rocker covers, and more. Get your Duramax engine block today and build new life into your trusted truck. I hope this quick look at the Duramax diesel block helped you learn a little more about how it might be the perfect fit for your project. If you're ready to get started today, please call or visit your local Chevrolet Performance dealer.